Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change hardware acceleration on Camtasia. So open the Camtasia first. After opening this one, you have to go top left corner, edit option. You can see here, right? Click on edit. Now choose preferences, the bottom one. Then go to advanced, this one, advanced tab. Click on this. And then you'll find here hardware acceleration. Click on drop down menu and choose the powerful graphics card you have. If you're using Intel, then you can choose Intel. If you're using Microsoft Basic render driver, you can use this, but my one is Nvidia graphic driver, so I'm choosing this one. You have to choose the strongest and the powerful one GPU. Okay, after clicking on this, click on OK and your work has done. So guys, this is how you can change hardware acceleration on Camtasia. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.